Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about the ISRO free courses. Before watching the video, you can also watch the other contents. So without wasting time, let's continue. Open the link in the description as shown. You'll be directed to the page as shown in the video. Now you can see the online registration form and course brochure and schedule. You have to check on the 61st satellite photogrammetry and its application June 29 to July 5th. Just you have to see, I'll show you a sample. You can see the course brochure, what all the courses you will learn. This is a free course by the ISRO. As you know, what is ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. And also you can see the schedule. The certificate will be in this manner as shown in the brochure. You can see the schedule. On 29th you will be learning introducing photogrammetric concepts by Dr. Poonam S. Tiwari, faculty. On 30th, you will learn concepts of stereo photogrammetry and other courses. As you can see, the course will continue till 3rd July 2020. So friends, it's the best opportunity to enroll in this government affiliated course, which is very helpful. So without wasting time, click on the EduSite news, which is provided in the link which is in the description. Click on the online registration form. After clicking on the registration form, please select the course by clicking on the select 61 IIRS outreach program on satellite photogrammetry. After selecting, you can see the window is displayed. Now select the institute. Before that, you can see this is the course which is provided by the satellite photogrammetry and its application. The course is started on 29th June 2020 and it will end on 2020. So please select the institute. I am studying in Geetam University, so I will type it as GITAM. You can see the university is listed. If your university is not listed, you can please type a comment in the video. You can see the details of the university and all. So you have to select the salutation Mr. For women, they will be Mrs. If married, the course. Now you have to enter your full name. As my name is Krishna, the first name. The second name is Murli. The last name is Prasad. After entering your full name, you don't need to type in the Hindi. It's only for the Hindi medium students. Now type your name, father's name as shown. The father's name and your name should be as per your matriculation 10th class certificate. Now select your date of birth as per your 10th class certificate mark sheet. You can see how you have to enter the date of birth. After that, select your nationality. If you are Indian, please click on Indian. If other, please click on other. Select your gender. If you're male, click on male, otherwise female. Now enter your email as shown in the video. Once again, re-enter your email. So it is used for rechecking whether it is correct or not. So the email has been matched. Now please enter your mobile number to which they will send the latest notification and updates regarding the course. Now enter your address along with your door number. So I am not entering my door number due to some security reasons. Please enter your door number and street carefully without any mistake. Because the ISRO will record all your information for further enhancement. Select your country. If you are in India, please select on India. Otherwise, you can select any other country. Select the state which you are at present living in as per your Aadhaar card. Select your city, which is known as the district. City means district here. Please enter your PIN code, which is as per your Aadhaar card. If you are living in the same house, you can click on the same as correspondence address. If you have another permanent address, you can retype without clicking the block. Now you have to enter your educational qualification details. First it comes to 10th standard. What are the subjects which you have studied in 10th standards? So the subjects are maths, English, social science, Hindi or Sanskrit if the student second language is Hindi. I have studied Sanskrit as second language, so I am keeping as Sanskrit. If you have studied in Hindi, you can type it as Hindi, Sanskrit, and science. After that, you have to enter your percentage or GPA. If your GPA if it is your GPA, please convert it into percentage. Click on the board which you have studied. If your state board, you have to enter your full state board name as per your matriculation certificate. Click on the year, pass out year which you have completed your 10th. Now it comes to 10 plus 2. What are the subjects which you have studied in your 10 plus 2 intermediate level? I have studied math, physics, biology, computer science and English. Both commerce, arts and science students can also apply and avail this opportunity. It is a great opportunity, friends, so don't miss it. Enter your percentage. If it is in GPA, please convert into percentage and then enter. Select the board which you have completed your 12th and select the year. If you are pursuing graduation, click on pursuing graduation. If you are a graduate, click on graduation if you are completed before 2020. For others, diploma or other courses, you can click on other. So if you are a graduation pursuing student, you have to click on pursuing student and enter the subjects. Here you can simply type it as the branch which you have chosen. I have chosen engineering, so I am typing it as engineering. If you are a science student, please type it as science, or if you are a commerce student, you can type it as commerce or arts. Select which board. If it's an autonomous, please type that college name completely, or if it's an university affiliated or private college, please enter your college name. Select the year which you are going to pass out, complete. If you have completed your PG also, you can also click on post graduation. If not, you can slowly scroll down. Now you have to fill the employment status, friends. If you are a student, please click on student. If you are a working professional, you can click on working professional. If you are an unemployed at present, just completed education, and setting, you can just click on unemployed. So I am a graduation pursuing student, so I click on student. You can choose your qualification. If you're studying at present, you can click on UG, or if you're a postgraduate student, you can click on PG. Here they have asked, have you previously attended any courses on campus or outreach program? If you have attended any, please click on inside the college or outside the college. If not, please click on no. Now you have to upload your photo, friends. Click on choose file and select the directory path. And upload. The photo size should not be more than 1 MB and it should be in JPG, JPEG and PNG format only. Then only the photo will be accepted, my dear friends. They are asking identification proof. If you have passport, voter ID or Aadhaar card, driving license, any of this is okay. I have Aadhaar card, so I am uploading Aadhaar. If others, you can type it. What is that other document? Choose file for the Aadhaar card. Should not be more than 1 MB. Should be in JPG, JPEG and PNG format, not in PDF format. I repeat, not in PDF format. After that, click on would you like to receive email and yes. After that, enter the captcha code as shown on your screen. After that, click on submit. Oh sorry friends, you have to enter the average percentage till which semester you have completed. Overall average they are asking. Now click on submit. After submitting your application, you will get your registration number. As you can see, Mr. Congratulations, your application is successfully submitted and you have got your registration number. So this is the format, friends. Hope you like this video and please do share with your friends so that it will be helpful for everyone. If you want, you can print this page also. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.